What's going on today, guys? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the KRK studio monitors and pit them up against the Atom Audio studio monitors, and more specifically the KRK Rokit G4 8s versus the Atom Audio T7Vs. Now, if you guys don't know about KRK Systems began manufacturing studio monitors back in about 2003. That's when they first came out with their Generation 1 studio monitors. We are now currently in the year 2020, and we are looking at the KRK Rokit G4 8s. The G4, of course, stands for Generation 4, and the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency driver. KRK has always been known for crafting really nice, powerful, yet budget-friendly studio monitors, more so for dance and EDM producers and mix engineers, although it spans a lot wider than it used to, thanks to the design and quality changes over the years. Now, we're looking at these versus the Atom Audio. Atom Audio has a really kind of high standard in the audio industry. Actually, they're more known for their higher end, expensive equipment. I mean, when you hear Atom Audio, it's pretty much synonymous with expensive equipment. So it's really cool that they were able to put out the Atom Audio T7Vs and have something that's a little bit more affordable for those who like the sound of Atom Audios, yet can't afford to pay $500 or more for a set of studio monitors in this size. The T7Vs have a really nice slick black look when compared to the KRKs. Of course, you have the KRK, the yellow cones that are on here, and those are definitely pretty iconic, but some people don't like them, and it's understandable, especially if you have a vibe that you kind of want to have in your studio. The KRK Rokits have a regular yellow silk dome tweeter, while the Atom Audios have a ribbon tweeter, and that's kind of what they're known for. I think the Atom Audio presents a better, higher frequency range than the KRKs, in my opinion. And they also have a much wider sweet spot, so that's definitely one thing to note. On the back is where the KRK Systems really excels. Of course, you have the DSP-driven EQ. This is the graphic equalizer that's they've just introduced in the past generation, and it's really nice for deeper, finer tuning for rooms and such. While the Atom Audio studio monitors really only have the 2 dB cut and boost that you'll see on the back of most normal to mid-price studio monitors. So it's cool that KRK gives you a bit more control over the overall sound of your monitors, and can really help you to tune them to your room or to your mixing environment. Overall, I would say KRK is the cheapest of the range. They're great for dance music, great for EDM, great for hip hop, and they've come a long way since the early days, just in terms of overall design, in terms of sound, in terms of quality. And so they're really wonderful studio monitors for anyone who's on a budget. Atom Audios, on the other hand, are great all-rounders. They're great for rock, pop, anything with vocals. They have a really nice high and mid-range, and I recommend them for people who are looking for maybe a better, more well-rounded studio monitor in the lower range. All right, guys, that's it for me. It's the KRK Rokit versus Atom Audio studio monitors. If you guys have any questions or insights on which ones you like better, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All righty, you guys, take it easy.